YouTube Shorts to go viral? For this, music is key. Let's learn how to add those catchy, trending beats to your videos and boost your engagement. Once your video is ready, then open the YouTube app. Tap the Create button at the bottom of your YouTube app. Upload your video from your phone's gallery. By clicking Add on the bottom left side of the screen. Choose the video that you want to upload. Then, click on the Done button. Wait for the processing, then, click this icon. Tap the Add Sound icon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see a variety of trending sounds and popular songs. Go to the Top Sounds section. Here, you will get all the trending music that you can use for your video. You also use the search bar to find specific songs or artists. You can also browse through different categories like trending, popular, or moods. Tap on a sound to listen and click on this arrow icon to preview it with your video. Listen carefully to see if it fits the vibe and content of your short. You can adjust your audio and music by clicking here. If you want to change music, click on the Music button, then click Delete icon. Now, click Add Sound again. Once you've found the perfect sound, you can save this sound by clicking here. You will find this music save section. Now, tap the Add button to include it in your video. You can adjust the timeline from here. After all processing is finished, then click the Next button. Now, add your title and click Upload Short button. Wait for the upload processing. Thanks for watching.